Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, ensure you have the necessary tools ready for this process. You will need a small Phillips head screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a microfiber cloth for cleaning. Make sure your laptop is powered off and unplugged from any power source. First, flip your Lenovo IdeaPad Flex 5 over onto a soft surface to prevent scratches. Look for the battery release latch, it's usually located near the center. Using your Phillips head screwdriver, remove the screws securing the back panel. There are typically 8 screws to unscrew, so keep them organized. Ensure you don't lose them, as they are essential for reassembly. Once the screws are out, carefully use the plastic spudger to pry open the back panel. Start at one corner and gently work your way along the edges. Be careful not to apply too much force, as you don't want to damage the clips holding the panel in place. If you encounter resistance, check for any remaining screws you might have missed. Now that the back panel is removed, you're looking for a silver sticker on the motherboard where the serial number is located. It's usually near the battery connector. The serial number will be printed in a clear, legible format, often alongside the model number. If you have trouble locating the sticker, take a moment to clean the area with your microfiber cloth, which can help reveal the text more clearly. If you're not comfortable performing these steps or lack the tools, remember we offer a professional diagnosis without obligation. It's a great way to ensure your device is in good hands. After you've noted the serial number, carefully reattach the back panel. Align it properly, then press down gently to snap it back into place. Once secured, replace the screws you removed earlier, tightening them snugly but not overly so, as this could strip the threads. Finally, flip your device back over and power it on. If you need to check anything else, or if you require assistance with further repairs, consider our pickup and delivery service at your home. No calls, no travel, just convenience at your fingertips. You can also get a quote before any repair work starts, allowing you to make informed decisions about your device's needs. This way, you'll have peace of mind knowing the costs up front, without any surprises later. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.